Hey everybody, Julianitis here. I'm back to you with, well, not back to you. I'm actually playing Halo 4 right now. We're playing Flood. So, my Black Ops, I would be posting a Black Ops 3 today, but my Black Ops 3 kind of, it broke. I broke it. Yeah, so I was playing and I hit my Xbox and I broke it. And, that's not something I'm proud of. Far from it. So, I thought, hey, I've never posted any Halo video for that matter. These guys are terrifying. Just look at that. Guys, there's a lot of them over there. So yeah, I'll upload this. And then, that's about it, no mas. Oh no, there's a lot. No. Hey. What the heck? I forgot you could have active camo on them. You've been put under... Oh, I don't want to die. I don't want to die. Not to the Flood, at least. I'll die to anything other than the Flood. Ow! Dang it. I'm the Flood now. Ooh, there he is. Yo! Destruction. Look at those nails, though. Just look at them. Jeebus. Julianitis. So, I just wanted to do a solo commentary on this. I've played 2 games before this, and I thought I'd record one because why not? I'm not doing anything. No. Dying isn't really good for my health. Oh, I want to jump on this. Not gonna lie. Yeah. Oh. I don't think I can. Just try to kill someone with a pistol. That sound, though. That sounds pretty weird. Gotta run. Where am I? Not today. I'll tell you what, I'm not dying today or tomorrow. I didn't make it. I'm gonna die. Ooh. That's bull. Gotta run. No. Get off my balls. What even is that? Look at that. No. Ah, that sucks. That's so much bull. I lived for a while too, honestly. That's GG. Man, these are actually really fun games, and they're like 5 minutes. I kind of want to get up here where they were. Are you kidding me? Is that someone up there? That is someone. That cheeky person. Oh! Ah, I did make it. I hate these sounds though. Oh man, oh there he is! Oh, that wasn't him. There he is! That's a nice spot to be, honestly. Yeah! A tie game, that's the first. Well, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna leave, try to play a different game mode. Hope you have a nice day. Goodbye.